Hey guys, what's up? Jeff here, and today I want to share with you how I watch TV in the van. This is a question I get all the time from people when they see pictures of the inside of our van and see that we have a TV. They want to know, how do you watch TV? Can you watch live TV? Can you stream? What can you do? So today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ways to watch TV from the van. So let's get started.
We're Jeff and Lisa, and during the 2020 quarantine, we did something we thought was only a dream. We bought a Sprinter van and converted it into the ultimate road trip vehicle. On this channel, we share our van life experience, including van build how-tos, tips, hacks, and product reviews, plus van travel and lifestyle. So if you're new here, consider subscribing.
So there's a couple of ways that you can watch TV. If you have a Wi-Fi signal, then you can use the apps in your smart TV to watch pretty much anything. Netflix, Amazon Prime. We use YouTube TV in our house to watch TV. We can watch YouTube TV through the app if we have Wi-Fi. And I have been known to sit in the parking lot of a Starbucks or a McDonald's or somewhere else to tap into their Wi-Fi and watch a football game or some other live event. But a lot of times you're not going to have Wi-Fi. So the next option is to use your cellular signal on your phone. Now, you can use, what I do is I have an iPhone and I use the little dongle, which is a Lightning to HDMI adapter. And it also has a connection for a power cord so that I can charge my phone while I'm doing it. Or I can also just have my phone connected and set it on a wireless charger, which is the way I do it most of the time, and it'll charge that way. So if you want to watch live TV using your cell coverage, for example, I use YouTube TV. So I can just pull up the YouTube TV app on my phone, and this will work for YouTube TV, Hulu, Sling. Even I know I used to have Dish Network. There's a Dish Network app that you can use and you can stream that way. So I had my phone on airplane mode. I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi and the cell signal back on. So I can just pull up my YouTube TV app and I can go to live TV, and there you have it. So basketball game, can pull it up, watch it live. So this is one way to do it, but just so you know, using standard definition, you're going to use about 1 gig per hour. And if you use HD, it's about 3 gigs per hour that you're going to use of your cell coverage. So if you don't have an unlimited data plan, this could cause problems. You could eat through a lot of your data pretty quickly. So there's another way that I watch streaming services like Netflix and Amazon without having any signal at all. I can do this when I'm out boondocking. I can have no cell signal, no Wi-Fi, and this is my favorite way. I'm going to explain to you how I do that. But first, if you're liking this video, if you're getting value from it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos on our travels, on our van build, and our van life tips and hacks, then go ahead and consider subscribing to our channel. So my favorite way to watch TV in the van is to download the programs before I leave home to my phone, and then I can just go ahead and stream them whenever I want on demand. So here's how you would do that. You would go into, I'll show you how you would do it on Netflix.
So you would log into your Netflix app on your phone, and then you find the program that you want to download. And not all programs are available to download, but the ones that are will have a little download arrow next to them. And you just click on those and those will download. And it's best to do that when you're on Wi-Fi, so you're not using up your cell data, but you can do it on cellular. I'll do it if I'm on the road, just at a Starbucks or a McDonald's or something where I have Wi-Fi, and I'll go ahead and download several programs I want to watch, and then I'll be able to watch them on demand in the van. Then when you're ready to watch the programs that you downloaded, you just click on the little downloads arrow in the bottom right corner of the screen. It'll pull up everything that you've downloaded, and then you can just select the one you want, watch, hit play, and watch it. And when you're done, then I usually just go ahead and delete it so it's not taking up space on my phone.
This allows you to watch TV without having any signal at all. So I'll show you how that works. I'll go ahead and turn on airplane mode on my phone so I'm not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular at all. And then I would just open up the Netflix app. And one program I've been getting into lately is Longmire. So I've downloaded, see, I've already watched season 1, but now I've downloaded season 2 to my phone. So all I need to do is I just go into here, I hit the episode. So you can see there, I'm watching it. And if I pull down my, you can see I'm in airplane mode. I'm not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and I'm able to watch anything that I download. And they really don't take up that much memory on your phone. And as you watch them, you can just delete them. And so, and then when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network again, you can download whatever you want. It does require you to run your inverter because it's connected to AC power. But I can run, I'll watch 3-4 hours of TV in an evening and maybe use 10% of my battery, go from like 100% down to 90% in that much time. So it really doesn't use that much. And you know, it's something I really love watching TV, and this allows me to watch wherever I am. So I encourage you to give this a try, see how it works out for you, and we'll see you in the next video.